never, as fast as the speed of light I will go. And now it is floating, or doing to my own fantasies. In a world of brains, there's no time to question your strength. When you fight in brains, your very destiny is drawn by the circuits. They are the ones that bind us together. Access and go against the data storm. Now with the wind, your heart leads to another. Even through this data storm, try to win the race and find this world